hello, is it me you're looking for?
You know he's not the kind of man who likes to see the world around him crumble to a ball around his feet. But he's always ready, he's always set, he's always well prepared. He's the most peculiar man you can ever meet. You know he's not the king of bedside manner. He's not the Tom Jones who lives next door. He's not the king of bedside manner. He hardly even lives there anymore. He said, excuse me, I hope you don't mind, but I followed you into this shop and I couldn't help but notice that riding crop sticking out of your haversack. Well, I wouldn't mind riding your bareback. He's subtle on the dance floor and he's suave around the bar. He's a quick draw with a lighter. He's a movie star. You know, he was quite a singer, quite an actor, quite some time ago. He's quite a famous program lead that 10-time TV show. You know, he's not the king of bedside manner. He's not the Tom Jones who lives next door. No, not anymore. No way. He's not the king of bedside manner. But he hardly even lives there anymore. You know he opens up the curtains at the crack of dawn just to see the lovely ladies who have come and gone from the house next door to his house on the lane. He gets old himself, he's got his health, but he knows he can't complain. You know he's not the king of bedside manner. He's not the Tom Jones who lives next door. No, not anymore. No way. He's not the king of bedside manner. But he hardly even lives there anymore. He's not the king. He's not the king of bedside manner. He's not the king. He's not the bedside manner. Hardly even lives there anymore. Six, domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Domo, 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 domo. He's not the king. He's not the king. He's not the king of bedside manner.
I don't need a cigarette, cause I feel like flying. Woo! Damn right, I feel like flying.